Hey guys, how is your first day of the year? My day of the year is perfect. I'm doing good. I'm with my kids here. Everybody is here. We just enjoy. You know, rĩrĩa mũndũ enda Ngai, maũndũ makoragwo me mega. Rĩrĩa wenda Ngai, maũndũ makoragwo me mega. Magi, let me tell you. Gũtirĩ kĩndũ kĩega ta kwenda Ngai. Wenda Ngai maũndũ makoragwo me mega. Rĩu kũrĩa nĩ indo ithondekwo cigĩrĩrwo. Acio nao maturĩre hau. Arĩa nao me kũrĩa rĩu nĩ maũndũ aya one mwena ũrĩa nao nĩ kũruka rĩu nĩkĩ kĩngĩ mũndũ endaga. Mũndũ wa kwenda Ngai na mũndũ wa gwĩtigĩra Ngai, mũndũ make maikaraga me chonjo. Rĩu niĩ ndĩ mũciĩ na family na Vimto, I know you are missing this. I know Vimto, you are missing this. Risa harĩa hothe ũrĩ ndĩ mũciĩ ũkĩra haha ahũra ho ningĩti-inĩ nĩ nguma. Oh my God, Kimani. Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year, happy New Year. Yeah, I'm enjoying every beat. The kids are jumping, everybody is cooking, everybody is doing something, and we are really thanking God for this. Na nĩtũrera Ngai thengio mwathani nĩ gũtũhe mwaka mwerũ. Inyu mũrarĩra mwaka mwerũ? Unaikuria wapi? Kimani, ũrarĩra mwaka wa Njoki wa Kĩmaru? Mũrarĩra mwaka mwerũ? Nĩ twĩ mũciĩ rĩu tũhorerete ũguo na family na gũkena na andũ kũrũgarũga othe tũguka twakwa tũcũcũ twakwa ngera Ngai thengio andũ othe me wĩra gĩkĩ gĩtagwo Mũngai Vimto, you are telling me you really miss this. Mary Dash. Wewe. Germany mko sawa? Nasikia mmefungiwa kabisa huko. Ati kuna ma lockdown zenu huko. Happy New Year. Let's enjoy what God has given us. Let's begin the year with a swag. We begin our year and we begin it with a swag. You get me? We begin our year and we begin it with a swag. Because this is our year to harvest. We are going to harvest. Everything that you have ever given to somebody, this is your year to harvest. Kimani, everything you have given somebody, this is your year to harvest. BT, Wangari, Sylvia, Kato, Happy New Year, guys. But I want to tell you something. It's our year to harvest. Mundu wothe akenie Ngai. Na ake Ngai amuhe ugi, umenyi maundu na gikeno. Nĩngũcokera. Ngai akuhe ugi, umenyi maundu ona akuhe gikeno. Ngai wa muoyo mũrathime na mwĩke wega. Niĩ ngũtũra hunjagia Jesu tondũ ũcio nowe njendete na nowe gĩkeno gĩakwa. Na ndamũnje ndanjigaga ũru. Maũndũ ma people are busy isipokuwa wewe. Sasa mimi nitakuwa busy. Kivugi. Nĩwe organizer. Organizer tagaithia andũ. You guys, God bless you guys. God bless. Yeah? Sare kai kare hau. Kivugi. Kai kare hau nĩgethe ciatherũka rĩ. Rĩu no gũka ciatherũka hau no gũka igũka. Tigana yo. Au nego ko organize. Kesi. Tell guys hi.
Hi.
Tell them we are having our Happy New Year. Oh my God. Gayamura adime na mweka Buddha. Kuja hapa. Salimia wazee. Hi. Salimia watu. Ai, Nas. Wapi Nas? Nimeona Nas. Nas fanya kidore hivi. Nas fanya kidore. Gayamura adime. Hey, my son has brought sodas here to fry. Let me tell you, gutire kindu kiega ta gukorwo na wajuku, you are glad, you enjoy, and you love God. Nie ndikauma kwa Ngai nikuo kwega, Mishe kwa Ngai nikuo kwega, Wangige Michael kwa Ngai nikuo kwega, kwa Ngai nikuo kwega. Ngai amurathime na mwike wega, muri andu abatara ndi mwendete, na tugutura tuikaranagia na inyue twina gikeno na twina thayu. Muri Christmas ni Christmas turare kana mwaka mweru. Hii matunda kwani usipewi?
Give Luka one menu.
This is my son-in-law. It's called Kevin. Murari rathi kuko ya nyuko. By the way, I've never told you. This is my brother. This is my last one. This is our last one.
Go.
This is my son Wawero. And that's my son Sammy. Everybody is busy here apart from me. Now we need to koruga kanyogo. But what? This is my girl. Oh, she come. This is when we cannot talk now. We need to koruga. Koruga kanyogo area. It's called kanyungu. Kanyungulelo. Na Ngai amurathime. Amweke wega. Redia. Atea komeri. Redia, wacha nikushow Mary. Wapi Mary? Can somebody call Mary? Nina rori koreria nyune gathi kahora. Tukwenda kurugira thubu hau. Where is Mary? This is my daughter. This is Riroy mwenye hapa. Huyu anaitwa Riroy mwenye hapa. Oh. You know, tell guys Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Well, can't you tell them something else? Tell them something else. These are my buddies.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Gaya murathime na mweke wega. Ekajererie radio. Ekajererie radio Mary.
You can't misbehave. Yes, your dad calling you.
Yeah.
What is happening?
This is my daughter Mary. And the children are telling, they are telling Mary that she's misbehaving. Ati kwa sababu anakataa kuja kutusalimia. This is my gentleman here. Come on, tell people thank you.
Thank you.
Tell them Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, that's very good. And inside here we are having another bunch of gangs. This is my sister's daughter, and this is Mimo, and this is my daughter. Yeah. Hey, niye koragwo na jeshi nene. Niye koragwo na jeshi nene na toikara guku tukene, nitukenaga na tukaigua wega. Na Ngai agaturathima na agatwika maundu mega. This is a bunch of gangs. These are gangs here destroying. They are destroying my money. Yeah. So God bless you guys. You're wonderful people. I always love you. Oh, this is my nephew. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. We really thank God. We really thank God for the day that God has made for us. And I want to tell you something. Let us trust God. Because by trusting God, this is everything that you'll be having. May God bless you. You are wonderful people. I love you. Nere twenda kuria riu. Mairio ni maigirirwo haha metha-ini. Riu turie. Wiko hihi we. Wiko. Akondu ina kindu gia kuria kana gia kuhe mundu ungi. Ui Ngai akuiguire tha. Tondu ithuĩ tuikarite wega, Ngai ni aturathimite. Ngai amurathime na mwike wega. Happy New Year! Happy New Year everybody. Happy New Year! Mwaka uyu ni wa kugetha kiria giothe wanahanda kiega. Ngai akurathime. I love you.